Do you hear that? What does that sound to you? To me, that sounds like a good healthy snack. What snacks are you thinking of right now? Let's talk about why the snacks you are thinking of might not be as healthy as the snacks from 100 years ago. Everyone loves snacks. Me, you, the elderly, adults and even toddlers. There's something about how the snacks fill us up just enough, making us keep going for more and more. But there are major differences between today's snacks and those from a century ago. Today, we'll uncover why snacks from 100 years ago were healthier. Back in the day, snacks were often simple and made from whole, unprocessed ingredients. Fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, and homemade treats were the go-to, and were free from artificial additives. One of the biggest differences is the use of whole ingredients versus processed ones. A century ago, snacks were made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients. In contrast, many modern snacks, even those marketed as healthy, contain processed ingredients and additives. How can you tell if there are processed ingredients and additives in your snacks? It's easy. Just take a look at the ingredient labels. You'll find that traditional snacks had minimal ingredients, often just one or two, like a fresh apple or a handful of almonds. Modern snacks, however, can contain a long list of ingredients, including preservatives, artificial flavors, and sweeteners.
Yikes!
Another significant factor is sugar content. Traditional snacks used natural sweeteners like honey or fruits which contain lower sugar levels. In comparison, many of today's snacks contained high fructose corn syrup and refined sugars. For example, a homemade fruit pie from 100 years ago might have been sweetened with fresh berries and a touch of honey, while a modern healthy snack bar could be loaded with processed sugars and syrups. Yes, that sounds like a really delicious pie. But have you wondered why there is a term called food coma? Excess sugar is one of the reasons for that term to happen, leading to sleepiness and lethargy. It's something you should consider the next time you reach for a sweet snack in the afternoon break. Let's not forget about packaging. A century ago, snacks were often made and consumed locally, with little to no packaging waste. I remember my mother telling me how Asian sellers used to wrap food in banana leaves for takeaways, nature at its finest. Today, even healthy snacks come heavily packaged, contributing to environmental issues. However, some packing now uses recycled materials and soy-based ink, which is a more natural and eco-friendly choice. The simplicity and freshness of traditional snacks meant fewer chemicals, less packaging, and a smaller carbon footprint. People harvested fruits and nuts directly from their gardens or local markets, ensuring they got the most nutritional value without the environmental cost. All it needs is a garden, seeds, fertilizers, and free labor. Modern snacks often come in dried forms, preserved in vinegar, sugar syrup, or brine. While this reduces waste from rotten ingredients, it often means more additives and preservatives. So, why were snacks from 100 years ago healthier? It boils down to simplicity, whole ingredients, natural sweeteners, and minimal environmental impact. As we move forward, we can learn from the past by choosing snacks that are closer to their natural state and free from unnecessary additives. Just read the ingredient labels. Next time you reach for a snack, think about opting for something that would make your great-grandparents proud. Simple, fresh, and naturally nutritious. If you found this video enlightening, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and guides. Stay healthy and informed.